morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Friday. Fabulous Friday. Yeah, I do that a lot. Yesterday and last night, we'll start with yesterday. I made my macaroni salad. It's fun. There's a bit of prep, dicing and cutting things up and yada yada yada. But I started pretty early in the morning, right after I got the daily message up in all the wonderful social media places it goes. And the only reason why it got into the cold box at 10:30 because I actually put the cooked pasta after I strained the water off in the fridge for about an hour to get it cooled down. Yeah. But as I got it all together and I started tasting it, I could have continued eating it. But I contained myself and I held myself back and I put it in the cold box for dinner. And I didn't touch it during the day. I was a good boy. Last night's dinner was super simple. Chili dogs. Fun, relaxing, with the macaroni salad. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So yeah, just fun. Tonight, the kitchen's staying dark. Robin is in Oakland at a meeting and she won't be home till late tonight. She'll be unfortunately battling the Memorial Day weekend traffic on her way home from Oakland because she's going to get out of her meeting about 5 or 6 o'clock. Yeah. So please pray and good thoughts for Robin getting home safe tonight. I've got some stuff. I got extra hot dogs and I've got leftover plow and I've got macaroni salad and I've got an extra burger in there. There's plenty of things for me to do tonight. That'll be quick and easy and just yummy. So, next week, this is the menu, and again, this is in no order. Creamy creme brulee cheesecake. No flour involved. I think I can get it done. Cream corn soup with some type of bread. The cream corn soup recipe is from our friend in England. Chicken and avocado enchiladas with green sauce. I'm going to do my spaghetti meat sauce with the long pasta with garlic bread. Oh, yeah. Pork chops in honey mustard cream sauce with cheddar au gratin potatoes and a veggie probably coming out of the freezer. I've got things I can put together and have fun with. Salmon with lemon caper sauce, rice pilaf, and sauteed radishes with vinegar and herbs. And last but not least, authentic Mexican carne asada, street tacos, and the Mexican corn coleslaw. Yeah. Like I said, in no order, I'll probably do the cheesecake Sunday for, get that going so we can have it. Because Robin has a 3-day weekend. She does have some plans with her brother. But I'll probably do the cheesecake Sunday after we get done with shopping. I'm not sure what I'll tie that with. But you'll find out. It's Memorial Day weekend. Remember, this is for the fallen heroes, not for veterans like me who are still alive. Memorial Day is all about the fallen soldiers, so we can remember them. This is an important weekend to me as a veteran and as an American. So have a great weekend. Please be safe. I don't travel on this weekend. I was in a really bad car accident 30 some years ago, coming back from Grass Valley to Beale Air Force Base. Please be safe. I, again, don't travel on Memorial Day weekend because of that. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. Eat great food and have fun cooking.